The Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project wey be Serap, dem don yarn give the Senate Presido wey be Godswill Akpabio and the Speaker of the House of Representatives wey be Tajudeen Gbas say make dem talk the exact amount of monthly running cost wey dey allocated to members of the National Assembly. And the organisation wey be Serap, dem no end there o, dem still drop another request. This time around they say the leaders now of the National Assembly, they gats provide an account of the spending details of any such running cost. Make dem talk wetin and wetin dem dey carry the money to dey do. All this informate, my good people, e dey for inside the statement wey the Deputy Director of Serap wey be Kolawale Oluwadare im sign am on the 17th day of August for inside this year 2024. Then tori people come carry the statement to share give the general public. Now, this request by the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project to be set up so na sake of the controversy, sake of the matter wey don create awareness. And this matter, my good people, na the jumbo pay, the kind money wey the senators dey receive on a monthly levels. And the person wey start this quarter so na one former senator, im name na Shehu Sani. Na im be dey claim say senators dey receive a monthly running cost of 13.5 million naira in addition to the 750,000 naira salary. Now, as the Revenue Mobilization Allocation and Fiscal Commission plus the Senate dem hear this one, sharply na dem debunk the claim. Say make country people dem comot body o, make dem no pay attention. Say the talk so no be legit one. But however, my good people, for inside this statement so by Serap, dem come dey explain say this their request now no be say na anything, no, they just want make dem promptly end, that is, they wan bring an end to the alleged practice by the National Assembly of fixing their salaries plus allowance and running costs in conformity with the Nigerian Constitution 1999 as amended and the international obligation of a country. The Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project wey be Serap come dey advise the leaders of the National Assembly so make dem also put an end to the alleged practice of paying running costs into the personal account of lawmakers. And the National Assembly leaders gats to dey report any alleged misuse or mismanagement of the running cost to the right anti-corruption agencies for investigation and prosecution. The Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project, they are very much concerned about the practice by lawmakers as they fix their salaries and allowance and running costs them, and the opacity now in the spending of millions of naira in running costs by lawmakers. That is not transparent. They are not letting the public know about it, and it's not making sense. The constitutional oath of office of lawmakers, they require them to make sure say transparency and accountability dey in the exact amount of salaries, allowance and running costs wey they receive. The provisions now of paragraph N section 32 bracket D of the 3rd schedule to the Nigerian Constitution, they make it unlawful for the National Assembly to dey fix their own salaries, allowance and running costs. And if to say then they accountable and they return any misused or mismanaged running costs wey they allocated to them, the members of the National Assembly go come build trust in democratic institutions and they go come strengthen the rule of law. It will come allow lawmakers now to do their job effectively. They will come discharge their constitutional and statutory responsibilities. Country people get the right to know how their lawmakers they spend their tax money and the commonwealth. And country people also get the right to honest and faithful performance by their public officials, including lawmakers. But the allegations now say the lawmakers they fix their own salaries, their own allowance and running costs. They mean say they take advantage of their entrusted public positions. So if they end this practice, so if they put an end to this thing wey lawmakers they do, it go improve public confidence in integrity and honesty of the National Assembly. And it go show say the Senate and House of Representatives under the leadership of Godswill Akpabio and Tajudeen Gbas go fit focus on serving the public interest of country people rather than looking after themselves alone. All this informate, my good people, e dey inside the statement wey the Deputy Director of the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project (Serap) im name na Kolawale Olowadare arrange the 17th day of August for inside this year 2024. And as usual, the thing carry deadline. The organization will be Serap, so they say if the National Assembly leaders then fail to act on their recommendations within 7 days of the receipt and or publication of this their letter, so they go follow the matter up with appropriate legal actions wey go make the National Assembly leaders and other members of the National Assembly to go by force compel with their request in the interest of the public. You know say on Wednesday will be the 14th day of August for inside this year 2024. The lawmaker wey dey represent Kano South, named as Senator Sumaila Kawo, in come yarn give general public say in dey collect over 21 million naira on a monthly level as a take-home package, and e never even reach complete 24 hours after the Revenue Mobilization, Allocation and Fiscal Commission come outside come dey yarn say every senator and the total 109 say each of them now for the upper chamber dey receive 1.6 million naira as salary and allowance per month. But Senator Sumaila Kawo wey dey represent Kano South in come outside come dey yarn say the amount of money wey dey receive on a monthly levels as salary e no reach 1 million naira o. If e be say dem cut am at all, e go still come back to about 600,000 naira and a little something as salary. However, my good people, as the Senate then hear this one sharply through their spokesperson wey be Yemi Adaramodu of Ekiti South, then deny Senator Kawo claim on Thursday wey be the 15th day of August for inside this year 2024. So like this now, e good well as Serap come outside koko yarn give the National Assembly leaders wey be Godswill Akpabio, the Senate President, and Tajudeen Abbas wey be the Speaker of the House of Representatives. So when they come talk the exact amount of the monthly running cost wey dey allocated to members of the National Assembly, and if they no do am within 7 days, the organization wey be the Socio-Economic Rights and Accountability Project, they go follow the matter up on a legal way. We go make the National Assembly leaders last tell them the exact amount of the monthly running cost wey they allocate to members of the National Assembly. This my good people now the informate way as make a share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on a legit information on the things and things where they sup for inside the country Nigeria. So if you go like to receive legit news like this, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as they bring the news they come, I go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And try make it share to your family and friends so that them too they go know what they sup for inside the country Nigeria. And they bring another interesting information for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.